T-shirt dream knows. Which means we have to. Oh!
Oh my god.
That was the worst kill.
I was very AFK that round.
Corpse, where'd you find the body?
Bottom left engine.
So, who else was there?
Sykuno after he murdered him.
I did
think
just
it might
pass
be-
by there, yeah.
Here we go. Here's how we saved me $100,000. If you don't want to screw me out of 100 grand, let's just vote Sykuno or Corpse, and then vote the other next round.
I vote corpse.
I think it's Sykuno.
I already voted Corpse.
I voted for Sykuno.
You know what? I'm gonna vote myself.
What?
Wait.
What? What?
Wait, 300 IQ.
Wait, Corpse, I voted for myself too.
Can we not? I have 100 grand on the line.
That's how deep my love runs.
Look,